Hi there! Today I'm going to be reviewing Dr. PAWPAW Multipurpose Soothing Balm and also gonna give my honest opinion about it. I brought this product from Droga's shop and this is how the original balm looks like. There are different types of tinted balm but I decided to stick to the original one. This product claims to be multitasking. You can apply it on lips, dry skin, cuticles. Wow, that's quite promising. On the back side, instructions about how to use the product is described briefly. This product has won numerous awards and has been suggested by my friends to try it and see it for myself. Without wasting more time, let's see the ingredients. The product consists of castor oil, hydroxystearic acid, sunflower oil, candelilla wax, olive oil, papaya extract, aloe leaf extract, and rosemary leaf extract. It's 100% natural and vegan or else plant-based. It costs around 3.99 euros and can be cheap or else really expensive in different countries depending on taxes. I grabbed the smallest pack, but this is available in three different sizes, that is 10, 25 and 100 ml. The packaging of this product is in tube-like containers secured with a cap. They are super cute and travel friendly, easy to carry in your purse or else bag, or else in your pocket too. The company swears that the packaging is recyclable. All you need to do is just clean it with the warm water and then dispose it into the recycling bin. Each tube contains a stopper with a small hole which can avoid leakage and save the dosage. On the top of the squeeze tube, there is a slanting applicator designed specially for lips. When you squeeze the tube, the product rushes out from the hole and the consistency is translucent and thick. Before applying the balm directly to lips, I would recommend to do a patch test. On back of my hand, I applied this balm and gently spread it to check if it causes any allergic reaction. And to see the consistency, you can see it's a bit sticky, but once you spread it evenly all around your skin, it just melts and glides well into your skin. Comparing the part with the balm and the dry area of my hand, the balm gives hydrated, nourished, soft and shiny skin effect. After patch test for application on lips, I squeezed a bit of a product and with the help of my finger, I spread evenly on my lower lips as well as my upper lips. When I smelled the product, it had a prominent fragrance of castor oil, or else it was something that's nutty. And this showed that this product is like 100% natural and the company did not use any sort of fragrance to cover that smell. So I really like this part about the Dr. PAWPAW lip balm. The next thing I wanted to check was how well the lipstick stays on this lip balm. The lipstick I used is Maybelline Color Sensational Shine in 65 Spicy Mauvais. I applied just one swatch on my lips and built up more coverage on the ends of my lip. Lipstick on this lip balm gave the effect of lip gloss and did look like a natural tint. For people with my skin tone can really pull off this lips. You guys should also definitely give it a try. Probably it will look really beautiful on your face. Then I wanted to do wear test to know how long will this product stay. After 1 hour of application, I had coffee and I just was drinking it normally without being careful about my lipstick and lip balm. I pressed my lip to the cup twice and I was surprised to see that it did not leave any mark at first, but then it was observed that it had a light mark on my cup. Usually if I'm wearing a lipstick, the mark would have been prominent and visible, but with the lip balm it was very light. And the lipstick still stayed on the lip balm. It was just so amazing. After 2 hours of application, the lipstick and the lip balm were still on my lips. The lipstick had faded a bit, to be honest, but the lip balm was still there and it had that nourishing effect till now. After 3 hours of application, the lipstick had faded away, but the lip balm stayed. I was very surprised by the long-lasting effect of this lip balm. It stayed for quite a long time. Other than all the comparative lip balm which are organic or else naturally based, which are plant based, did not stay for this long, but this lip balm did. I was very surprised and I was very impressed as well. Finally, for rating for the Dr. PAWPAW lip balm is 10 out of 10. Why I really like this product is because first, it has a recyclable packaging, it is plant-based, and it has a long-lasting effect. It's a blend of all natural oils, and I'm a big fan of natural oils, and it is suitable for men as well as female, and it is ethically sourced. So yes, I know what I'm buying and where did we get it from. That's it for the video. I really love this product. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Like and subscribe. Bye.